CLEU stock analysis, Tuesday and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very short 1-minute video till the end to find out. I have gotten thousands of correct predictions over the last 4 years. I've spent thousands on courses on mentors and I've documented everything. And with CLEU or China Liberal Education, I'm not surprised about the Monday open of it being down 17% because that was actually kind of expected. I mean, after this melting stage, the only thing that I'm expecting is more lows. I mean, if you really search CLEU, like what's going to pop up is that a lot of people are talking about CLEU, you know, and there's like real some big news just like 21 days ago. But I think that most of you are probably watching this for a potential short squeeze play. And honestly, I get it, and I totally think that it could be possible. But for me, it's not something that I'm willing to put my risk on, you know, like I'm not trying to risk my capital to get that play. I would rather stick to my edge that I've taken like over and over again over 35,000 videos. So I will definitely keep you updated, but the most likely thing for me happening next is just a clearance of those lows. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple yet lean way, just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.